So we want to draw the gradient function for this function. We can see the gradient is 0 here, so we'll mark that there. This is a horizontal point of inflection. There's a maximum here, so the gradient 0 at that maximum, and then a minimum there. The gradient is positive here, so for the gradient function it needs to be above the axis, and it's going to come in towards 0 here. But note, the gradient goes positive, 0, positive. So we're going to need to have a minimum there so that the gradient can go back positive. In other words, on the gradient function, it's above the axis. It's going to get steeper till about there and then shallower again into the 0. So we'll have this sort of shape here. Then between these turning points the gradient is negative and steepest about there. So that's going to do something like that. And then after this turning point the gradient is positive and getting steeper. So it's going to go like